If you want to glue two pieces of wood together, say these two pieces, what you would do is take your wood glue, open it up. You're going to put your wood glue on both pieces. Sometimes you have to let it come down a little bit. You don't need a lot. I like to use my fingers to smush it around. You can use something else if you like. So a little wood there, or wood glue there, a little wood glue here. Press it on where you want it to be. Make sure it's pressed down really well. Sometimes a little glue will squeeze out. If you want to wipe that glue away, you can. And then a clamp will really help secure it while it's gluing. So we take our clamp, put it on there, tighten it up. Once the clamp is on, make sure your piece is exactly where you want it to be. Get rid of any extra glue, and then let it dry.